What's your name? What's your name? Who are you? Who? Are you Spider-Man? Are you Captain America?
No. Amen.
Spider-Man.
Amen.
Have a great weekend.
Amen.
What does Spider-Man do?
Yeehaw.
He helps people, right?
Yeah.
Does he fly through the air?
Yeehaw.
Does he have spider webs? Does he shoot spider webs? Oh, he shoots it out of his arms? How about Captain America? What does he do? What's Captain America do? Captain America. Yeah. What does Woody say?
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw. How about Buzz? What's, yeah.
He was trying. I was like, I don't know how to.
What does the ghost say? What does Finn say? Oh, what does Jesse say? Yeehaw.
And Finn's leaving with his dad after the party.
Are we gonna go get some snacks now? Yeah, maybe some apples. Can I have 5? Give me 5. Hey, Spidey. Spidey. Give me 5. High 5. Hello.